Now this is about how we can measure how polluted either water or air is. Now one way we can do that is by using something called indicator species, and they'll be normally a little insect or a plant, and if I can count them, then that tells me how polluted or how non-polluted something is. Another way I can do that is I can measure it directly. So if I want to measure the amount of oxygen in the water, I can use an oxygen probe. Or if I want to measure how much pollutant, how much nitrates are in the water, I can use another chemical to measure how much are in there. So there are basically two different ways of measuring pollution: indicator species or measuring it directly using a piece of scientific equipment. Here are two indicator species, the rat-tailed maggot and the sludge worm. If we see a lot of them in the water, they're probably going to tell us water's very polluted, because they can live in polluted water with low oxygen levels. If I count lots of mayfly larvae or stonefly larvae, if I count lots of them, that probably tells me that the water is clean and not polluted. If there aren't any, it probably tells me that the water is polluted. Mayfly larvae and stonefly larvae cannot live in polluted water because there's not enough oxygen in polluted water for them. Lichens are types of algae and they grow on trees. Different amounts of lichens can tell us how polluted the air is, and it can give us an indication of the air quality and how much sulfur dioxide might be found in the air.